Hello again. Thank you for joining this video where I will explain how the BOOKR Class license system works. The first and most important thing to understand is that every individual user in the BOOKR Class system needs to have an active license in order to use the library app, desktop app, or the teacher's dashboard. Without an active license, you'll be able to log into all of these platforms, but you won't have access to all the books, functions, and features. In the teacher's dashboard, choose the Licenses section from the left menu. Here you can see a summary of the license packages your school has purchased with the start and end dates and the number of licenses available. When a school purchases a license package, we at BOOKR will set the start date and the duration of the license according to your school request. Once the start date has passed, the license's time is ticking. You cannot pause or suspend the license, so we recommend that the licenses are assigned to students for the entire duration of their license. It's possible to remove a license from a student and then assign it to another one. When you remove a license, it goes back to the license pool and becomes one of the available assignable licenses. Don't forget, the license will end on the expiry date that your school requested. Here you can see information about the number of users and active licenses in the school. The number of licenses that will go active in less than a week and those which will expire are highlighted for your attention. This gives you time to either assign the new licenses or extend the ones that are about to expire. In the chart below are all the users in your school that are added to the BOOKR Class system. Use the search options, type a name or email address, only in case of teachers and school admins, student code, or use the filters to narrow the result. After you set your preferences, the list automatically updates and you can see important information regarding the user licenses. Remember to check the license start and expiry date. This is very important, as a user can only access all the books of the library if they have an active license. You can easily manage the license from this section. Select the users whose licenses you'd like to manage. Click Manage Selected and choose Add/Extend License. A pop-up window will show the license packages your school has purchased with the start and end dates. When you assign a license, bear in mind the end date of the license. Once the end date has passed, the student won't be able to access all the books in the BOOKR Class library application. But don't worry, all their data is safe. Click Add License and the icon will turn green and active. The Remove License option takes away the active license from the selected users. This means that they won't be able to access all the books in the BOOKR Class library app. If you are sure you want to remove their licenses, click OK and the license status icon will turn red and missing. The removed license can be assigned again to another user. It's also possible to delete selected students from the BOOKR Class system. When you delete a student, their license will automatically jump back to the license pool. Their personal data and statistics are deleted from the system.